Hi, hello, vanakkam. Today's lunch recipe is Palak Paruppu with plain pepper omelette and tomato pickle. I have given the exact quantities of ingredients used in this recipe in the description box. Please check it. Before we start to cook, wash and soak half cup of Masoor Dal for 10 minutes. Now to a pressure cooker, add some oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and 3 dried red chillies. Now add the finely sliced onions and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes at medium heat. Now add the slitted green chilies and crushed garlics and saute for another 1 minute. Once the onion and garlic are cooked and turned aromatic, add the chopped tomatoes, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook it for 5 minutes. Next, add the soaked Masoor Dal with 1 cup of water and open cook it for 10 minutes at medium heat. Palak or the spinach used in this recipe is store-bought frozen spinach. Now add the spinach and add some salt and pressure cook until 2 to 3 whistling sounds. Thanks for watching and support my channel by subscribing.